Hello everyone, this is David. Excuse me. I got this, hold on just a second, I gotta get to my phone. I got this Pony stylus pen for iPad pencil. Pony capacitive pen, high sensitivity and fine point, magnetism cover cap, universal for Apple, iPad, iPhone, Mini, Air, Android devices, Microsoft Surface, and other touch screens. It's made by Pony. Let's see if we can, there we go. So this is a nice little case it comes in here. And here we have a little sleeve that you could put it in. I'll put it on there here in a second. But here is the pen itself. Comes in different colors. I'll show you. I'll tell you what colors are here in a second. So it's got this kind of a glue type of thing on the end of that flap. Oh, sorry about that. Anyway, so here it is. That Pony right there. You can take this off. And I had this off earlier. And I thought, well, what is this? So I started pulling on it, and this thing is like on a spring-loaded thing. And I thought, well, I better leave it like that. So anyway, it comes in 4 colors. Got the white, black, pink, and gray or blue. And it two-way magnetism absorption. So I think if you go like this, it clicks on there. Did you hear that? Watch, and there we go, like that. And I think on this, cover it up too. Yeah. So, and also was it this one or this one? No, over here. This one. This is supposed to screw out, but I can't. Anyway, that's supposed to screw out. I don't think it's this one. But anyway, this is supposed to screw out, and you have a replacement tip inside here. So I can't get it open, so I'm not going to worry about it right now. I'm sure it comes off. It is 9 millimeter in diameter, 19 grams. It's lightweight, 153 millimeters long. And all right, so let's put this back on here. I'll show you how it can go into the sleeve here. There, you get a little bit more protection. Put it in your shirt pocket like that. So anyway, let's put those over there. I am going to demonstrate on my iPad mini. So to turn this on. All right. A nice wallpaper right there, huh? That's what we look at at our house in the Philippines. When we open up our back door, step outside, that is what we look at. All right, let's go here to the iMovie. There. Create project. create movie down here. Go to, whoops. Let's do this one. I will do the tomato plants. You click the little plus button and it goes down into the timeline. Click this reverse button, it'll go back to the beginning. Alright, so yeah, so look at that. You can just move it up and back like that. You know, this is about where I'll put a split in there, and I don't want to use this one. I want to use this right here. Use some text, use the pop-up, and we'll just stay in the middle there. Click there and back up and then you put your text in there. Click there, and then you go to the beginning, start it. There's your text comes up. Hello, so we're looking. I'll just stop it there. But anyway, there's how the pony magnetic pen works. It's very nice, easy to use. Maybe I should have got a different color. I wasn't paying attention. I would have gotten probably black, or maybe the gray blue type thing or something. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. And this, do I have the, I'm not sure if I have the, it was $12.99 on Amazon. And I'm not sponsored or anything. This is my own doing. I bought this myself to do the review myself. I'm not getting paid for any of it. But if anybody wants to contact me, I'll have information down below in the description area, my email address. So anyway, enjoy everybody. Take care, and we will see you next time.